everybody. Welcome to TJ's Tiny Homestead. I am Terry. Today is Saturday, March 16th. Tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day. So we're going to make some Lucky Charms treats for the kids. So, get this on. I'll butter my dish. Butter the dish. And put some butter in here in the pan. Burner on. Okay, I'm going to turn that on. Turn off that butter. Take my paper towel and I'm going to butter my dish. Have it ready. There. A little bit too much butter. Now I am using, instead of Lucky Charms, I am using Maltese marshmallow treats. It's the same as Lucky Charms. It's just, I got a big bag of it. Kids like to eat this, so that'll be good. And we need 6 cups of the Lucky Charms cereal. And it calls for 1 bag of small marshmallows. I don't have a bag of small marshmallows, so I'm using 50 large marshmallows. Take a little longer for them to melt, but that's okay. Just get them in there and let them melt. See my marshmallows? Okay. Let those melt. Stir them so they don't burn. There they go. My granddaughter swears by these, so they probably won't last very long anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Down there talking to me. We had a bad storm the other night here in southern Illinois. We didn't get the fun out of it, but the wind was real bad and I was worried for my peach trees. First thing I did is go out and check my blooms, because every year a big old wind comes by and blows the blooms off. This year, we got lucky, they didn't blow away. Which means, if all is well, I have to turn that down, it's starting to turn brown on the bottom. Means if all is well, we'll have a lot of peaches this year, because we got 2 big peach trees. Take those off the heat for a second. Take these a while to melt. There we go, they're melting. What do you guys make for St. Patrick's Day? Anything special? We usually don't, but my granddaughter's been wanting some of these, so I just wondering if people make anything special for St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick He's an Irish saint. St. Patrick's Day is supposedly the day he died. Now, he's from Ireland, and I'm part Irish. My great-great-grandfather, my great-great-great-grandfather was from Ireland. And a couple years ago, me and my husband and a couple of my sisters, we took a trip to the homeland. Beautiful place over there. People are friendly. We stayed in Dublin, the capital. We rented an apartment. We was there for like 10 days. Oh, come on. Probably should have melted these in the microwave. Okay. There we go. Melt. We went and saw all the major sites. We went to, let's see, where did we go in Ireland? Watch Game of Thrones. We went to the Giant's Causeway. We went to the King's Highway. That's a private residence, but they let you go down the big long driveway. And that's what it is, big long driveway. And after we left, supposedly a storm went through there and knocked down a lot of those overhanging trees. All right, it's getting there. Starting to look like marshmallow fluff. And anyway, back to Ireland. We went up to Belfast one day and we saw where the Titanic was built. We went to the world's oldest pub. We went and visited that. Forget where it's at. And where else did we go? We went to the Temple Bar. Must see if you go to Ireland. We went to Genesis, but they were closed the day we went, so we couldn't take a tour. I don't like the way that looks. Alright, I'm back. Marshmallows 2.0. The other ones were turning brown, like they were burning, and I'm not going to put them in my thing. So I got another pan here, and I got them melted. Maybe it was my pan. I don't know. I mean, I got the setting on low. So, try that. Alright. I'm going to throw a couple of microwaves and some marshmallows in the microwave. Add to this. They don't look like a whole lot. I'm very picky. If it looks like it's burning, I don't want to use it because it'll leave a scorched taste. That's not very good. So let me melt this in the microwave real quick. Okay, here's my marshmallows that I melted in the microwave. I'll just add these to this. And these just didn't look like I had enough melted marshmallows in there. Okay. Okay, there. That looks a lot better compared to my other ones that were turning brown. I guess it was the type of pan, I don't know. I've always made them in a stainless steel pan. But, like I said, I'm not perfect. Things happen. Alright, these are almost melted all the way down. I can add them to my marshmallows, my cereal, or add my cereal over here. That's what I'll do. Alright. Alright, let's add the cereal. Oh yeah, they look good. Alright, I think I got them all coated. I'm going to put a few extra cereals in there. Alrighty. There we go. Perfect this time. Alright, got my pan here all buttered, ready to go. Just put these in here. Watch my elbow because that stove's too hot. Alright, get a fork. Press it down. And there we go. There you go. St. Patrick's Day treat for tomorrow for the kids. So let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll have other videos coming up. So